Hi, Hassan. How about catching up this weekend? I finally have some free time on Saturday.
That sounds great. I'm free on Saturday afternoon. What did you have in mind?
I was thinking we could either go for a movie or visit the new art exhibition downtown. I heard it's really good.
The art exhibition sounds interesting, but the weather might be great this weekend. Why don't we go for a hike instead?
A hike? That's a wonderful idea. Honestly, I've been wanting to spend some time outdoors.
Same here. We've both been busy lately. A hike will refresh our minds.
Absolutely. Do you know any good spots?
Yes, there's a trail near Riverside Park. It's not too crowded and has a nice view at the top.
That sounds perfect. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at the park entrance at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, 10 a.m. works. Shall I bring some snacks and water?
Sure, and I'll arrange the transportation. I can pick you up if you prefer.
Thanks, but it's okay. I'll come by bus. It's easy for me.
No problem. I'm really looking forward to the hike.
Me too. It's been so long since we did something fun like this. You know, planning activities in English is actually easier when we use simple phrases.
True. When you said, how about catching up this weekend, it sounded so natural.
And when you asked, what did you have in mind, you gave me space to express my ideas.
Exactly. Phrases like, why don't we, are great when suggesting something new.
And answering with, that sounds great, or that's a wonderful idea, makes the conversation friendly.
English planning expressions are simple but very powerful.
By the way, Hassan, it's been such a tiring week. How about having dinner outside tonight?
I like that idea. I don't feel like cooking anyway. What do you feel like eating?
I was thinking maybe pizza. There's a new pizza restaurant near the mall.
Oh yes, I've heard about that place. They say the cheese melt is amazing.
Really? Now I'm even more excited.
Why don't we invite Sarah too? She loves trying new restaurants.
That's a great suggestion. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 7 p.m. Should I book a table?
Yes, please. And I'll message Sarah now.
Perfect. It's going to be fun.
Speaking of fun, we also need to prepare for our exam next week.
Oh yes, that. How about studying together tomorrow?
That sounds great. Studying together keeps us focused.
Definitely. Where should we meet?
Maybe we can study at the library. It's quiet and has good Wi-Fi.
Good idea. What time works for you?
Maybe around 4 p.m.?
Works for me. Shall I bring my notes?
Yes, and I'll bring my laptop. We can divide the topics.
Great. That will save time.
By the way, did you remember that it's Sarah's birthday next week?
Oh yes, we should plan something special for her.
How about organizing a small surprise party?
That's a wonderful idea. Where should we celebrate?
Maybe at your place? It's spacious and perfect for small gatherings.
Sure. What should we buy for the party?
You can take care of the cake. I'll bring decorations and snacks.
Sounds good. What time should the parties start?
Let's say 6 p.m. That gives us enough time to set everything up.
Perfect. She's going to be so surprised.
You know, making all these plans makes me realize something.
What?
That communication is everything. Simple phrases can make planning smooth and enjoyable.
Very true. And being polite while suggesting things makes conversations better.
Exactly. Whether it's hiking, studying, dinner, or a birthday party, good communication always helps.
I agree. And I feel more confident when I use natural English expressions.
Me too. Practice really helps.
So, for the hike, we meet at 10 a.m., right?
Yes, don't forget the snacks.
And you're arranging transportation.
Absolutely. Everything is planned.
Perfect. By the way, what kind of snacks should I bring?
Maybe some sandwiches, fruits, and water?
Sure. And maybe some chocolate bars?
Yes, chocolate is essential for hiking motivation.
I knew you'd say that.
You know me well.
And for tonight's dinner at the pizza place, 7 p.m., right?
Yes, 7 p.m. I'll book the table in a few minutes.
I'll message Star now.
Great. Which pizza are you planning to try?
Maybe the spicy chicken? What about you?
I'm thinking of the classic margarita. Simple, but perfect.
Good choice. And don't forget tomorrow's study session.
Of course not. We need to stay serious about that.
Yes, but studying together will make it less stressful.
Agreed. And we can motivate each other.
Well, we've planned a lot today.
Yes, but everything sounds exciting.
True, and I'm looking forward to all of it.
Same here. See you tonight then.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Do you like this video? Please subscribe now.